Do you want to stake your crypto without having to risk leaving your coins on an exchange, without having to lose custody of your coins? Well, staking on Cardano has never been easier, and we're going to go through some options. Go ahead and discover crypto. All right, well, first, why would you not want to keep your crypto on an exchange? Okay, within the fine print of these exchanges, if something were to go insolvent, if something were to happen, if there's sort of a bankruptcy issue, those coins are probably going to be lost forever, or at least you're going to lose a portion of them forever. And if you do get anything back, it's going to be legal proceedings, and it's going to take you years. So the phrase, not your keys, not your cheese, or not your keys, not your crypto, has never been more important. And Cardano has some novel solutions that kind of can get around this. Personally, I'm actually no stranger to this. I've lost essentially 2 ETH to Celsius. I don't know when I'll get it back. I don't know what I'll get back. And I guarantee it'll probably be a fraction of what I originally lent. And you know what? At this point, just give me 50%, just give me 75% of my ETH back, and I would be happy. And this kind of leads you to the question, what is the point of staking rewards if you're just going to end up losing your crypto? I was trying to get, I think, around 10% for my ETH, maybe lost forever. What can Cardano do? Cardano actually has tons of options. You could stake on hardware wallets like a Treasure or a Ledger. You can also self-custody on web wallets like Exodus, or you could use a Cardano-based wallet like Yori, or I'm going to go over Nami today. Nami was founded by the same person that founded SpaceBuds. SpaceBuds was the first 10K PFP on Cardano. This guy has been building for years and years and years. I've been a big fan of his wallet. Today we're going to be using Chrome, and folks, you got to be very careful with Chrome extensions. So we're going to use the link from Nami's actual wallet. I got the Nami link from Barry's link. Barry apparently named Nami after Nami from One Piece. I don't know. That's for the anime fans out there. I'm not so much a fan of that, but I know this is Barry. I've been following this for years and years and years. So I'm going to use the link for the Nami wallet here. Then I'm going to use the link in the Nami Wallet X account. That takes me to namiwallet.io. And then I feel comfortable going to the Chrome store. I typed it into the Chrome store. There is only one. There doesn't seem to be any counterfeit apps. But guys, you always got to be careful. There could always be a fake, a phishing site. You just got to be very, very careful. Double check your URLs. I'll lead you to the Nami Web Store extension here. I've already have it downloaded. It looks over 200,000 users, about 169 ranking. So if you were to Google it and you pull it up, it only has 1,000 users. You know it's not the real one. So let's go ahead and go over Nami now. After you download it, you can either create a new wallet in which it'll give you your seed phrase. Be very careful when you write it down, and then be very careful when you're storing this. Or you can go ahead and upload one of your own wallets. I already have a wallet on here, and we are already staking to the Berry pool right here. You can also use this Cardano wallet to hook up to a DeFi application like a MinSwap. And if we go ahead and click here where it says Berry, now Berry is the staking pool. This is what I have in available reward. So I am staking my Cardano. I haven't claimed it for months. So my 562 has earned me 10.7 Cardano. But say I want to restake the 10, I would go ahead and withdraw. So we're going to do that now. Okay, you can see the 10.7 is hit. I now have 573 from 562, and now that is automatically going to be restaked. And then now my next reward should be slightly higher from 560 to 570. Maybe I get an extra, 1/20th of a Cardano now. And the way staking rewards works, it's a little bit like a lottery system. There's a lot of different Cardano staking pool operators, all those SPOs. These SPOs all have a random chance to be assigned some staking rewards. So you might get lucky and get your staking rewards up to 6% for an epoch. An epoch is what the Cardano uses for its basis of time for issuing rewards. So you might get lucky and get 5-6% for that epoch, or you might get unlucky and only get 1%. If you have 100 Cardano at the end of the year, expect about 3.3 extra Cardano after 12 months. And if you ever want to change who you're staking to, you can see right here it says Barry. We're going to switch it to someone in-house. That's right, we have BJ. BJ stakes as well. He has the NES pool. We're going to go ahead and unstake here. And you'll see that it'll give you plenty of warnings here. You'll no longer receive rewards. Rewards from the 2 previous epoch will be lost. Full balance will be withdrawn. And then the 2 ADA deposit will be refunded. And you have to re-register and wait 20 days to receive rewards again. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to lose out on a month's worth of rewards basically for you so we can walk through this process. All right, let's go ahead and confirm here. All right, so about 30 seconds later, the delegate button is now blank, and we're going to re-delegate to a new staking pool operator. All right, so with the Nami wallet, it's automatically just going to put you to the Berry pool. So we need to go to pool.pm here. All right, so when you go to pool.pm, you'll see the little Nami button on the top right. We're gonna go ahead and click that, and just go ahead and leave us. We're gonna give access to pool.pm. Pool.pm is, think of it as the Etherscan equivalent, kinda, of Cardano. And now you can see it is unstaked, and so let's find ourselves a new pool operator. Back to the main page by clicking the pool.pm tab here, and then you'll see on the right it says staking. Go ahead and click on staking. And then you're gonna hit search after hitting the staking tab here. And then after that, you will see the pools right there, folks. I'm looking for BJ's NES pool. I'm gonna type in NES. It looks like he has the only one. Now, if there were two, I'd have to talk to him and, then, hey, make sure we have the right one, see how much ADA's delegated. Then we would compare the numbers. He would say, oh yeah, I have 7.9 million ADA delegated. And then one of them would have 7.9 million and the other one would have like 47 ADA. So after you type in NES, go ahead, click join right here. Sign your wallet transaction, and then you just got to wait for confirmation. Now we're going to have to wait a couple epochs before we start getting rewards. BJ doesn't even know I'm doing this, so I'll surprise him in person. I'm sure he'll have a good kick out of this. He's currently in Magic Las Vegas, so you'll just wait for confirmation. It might take a while, and after that, you'll start earning rewards. It is that simple. I'm not losing custody of my Cardano. My other Cardano is still in the other stake pool, so I don't have to worry about, any kind of centralization or, if one entity goes down, I'm not feeling bad about it if they don't do the right thing with their software and all of a sudden, hey, I'm not getting any rewards. No one's getting any rewards. They're like, oh, I didn't do the update. You don't have to worry about that. I feel very, very comfortable in the Barry pool. If anyone is doing the updates, it is Barry Alessandro. That's all you got to do to stake your Cardano. You don't got to worry about Celsius going under. You don't got to worry about a Terra Luna style collapse. You don't got to worry about Sam Bankman stealing your Cardano and running off to the polycule. Hope you learned something as we discover some crypto today. Let me know where you staking your Cardano.